Hello friends, in this video we are going to see rook and pawn, rook versus pawn actually ending, in which king shouldering is employed to achieve a draw. King shouldering means keeping the opponent king away from the important square by correctly using your king. Here the king maneuver is very much important to achieve a draw or a win. If you like this video, please press like button and also consider subscribing to this channel. Okay, let us first analyze the natural move here, that is king to b7. Now if black plays king h4, then king c6, g4, king d5, g3, king e4, g2, rook a1 forced, king h3, king f3, king h2, king f2, and white can capture the pawn easily. So the natural move loses for black. So after king b7, if he plays for releasing the pin also, it's very easier for white. King c6, g4, king d6. So the pawn, if the pawn goes to g3, then rook can come to a third rank and take the pawn. So king f6, rook b5. So g3, rook b3, g2, rook g3 easily wins. So what should black to play for achieving a draw? So he has to prevent the white king from approaching, white king from contacting the black pawn. So how to prevent white king? So he has to play king g4. This is a correct move here. Now if king c6, king should come to the f line, so that he can prevent the king from approaching the black pawn. So if white plays normal moves like king d5, black can achieve a draw very easily. g4, if king d4, g3, rook a1, g2, and easily draws. Suppose so for king c4, for king c6, king f4, white has to try rook a4 check only. So here, if again black plays for shouldering the king, like king f5, he loses. King d5. It is not that the pawn can be won by the rook, but the king can approach the pawn easily. So if black plays g4, king d4, king f4, rook a8, this is the winning move here. King f3, king d3. Now if king f4, rook f5 check, king g3, king e3, king g2, it's a rook g8 is an easy win. Even if here g3 also, wins for white. So rook f5 check, king g4, king e4, king f3 wins. So what to do now? Actually for rook a4 check, he has to play king f3 only. We should not go for king shouldering here. So after king f3, so black has to play king d5. Now g4. Now rook a3 check. Here what should black play? Okay, we will analyze now king f2, the natural move. This move allows white king to contact with the pawn. Rook a2 check, king f1, king f3 wins here. So what is the correct move here? For rook h3 check, again black should go for king f4 to stop white coming near to the pawn. So king f4 is the correct move. Now if king d4, g3, rook a1, g2, king d3, king f3. It's an easy draw for black. So very important is shouldering the king. You can often see in rook endings this kind of king shouldering. Thank you for watching.